Well, good morning. I'm going to do another few hours of work on this Big Bear today. I'm going to start with the rear wheel. I got the brake mechanism out of it and the hub, and we're going to do some stripping on here. It looks like it's already been stripped off, but they put a clear coat on at the factory after they shine it up. So I'm going to redo that, try and make it look a little better. And also the other side of that hub, which is over here, which has got the sprocket on it, but underneath we'll have to clean up a little bit down in here, make that look better. And then these areas here, we'll clean them up, both sides. And then we'll mount the wheel right on there. Well, I got a little bit done today. I spent about 4 hours. I've cleaned up the hubs on the rear wheel. Got them looking halfway decent. Eventually I'm going to have to replace the spokes and the rim, so I didn't bother trying to clean up down here in this area. I cleaned the dirt off basically. Wheel turns good. This was bent very badly. Actually, I think it was broken off and then they welded it back on crooked. So tomorrow we're going to hook up the brakes. I got the rod that holds this in place painted up because the chrome was in such bad shape. I just figured I'd paint it. Got the cables. Know how they're routed, so I'll get those on. I'll get the kickstand on. I'll get the center stand on, although a dirt bike shouldn't have a center stand, but had one, so I guess we'll put it back. And I'll probably put the handlebars on because I'm going to put the brake cable on the front and I need a place to run it to. So we'll take care of that, and that'll be tomorrow.